Hello friends, today start second lectures in P block elements. Now previous lecture discuss about the some point discuss about the introductions parts starting by P block elements. That P block elements number of properties, that is general electronic configurations, electronegativity, ionization energy, and that's why these P block elements are the positions of the P block element in the periodic table. Now today's second lectures of the P block elements. And these P block elements in your 12th syllabus, these are the four groups are present. Group 15, 16, 17 and 18 groups are present in 11th syllabus. And you know about that P block elements are the 6th group, but division depending upon the syllabus 11th and 12th. 11th syllabus that group 13th and 14. 11th syllabus that group 13th and 14. But in the 12th syllabus, four groups are present. That is first 15 groups, 16, 17 and 18 groups are present. So in 12th syllabus, four groups are present. Group 15, 16, 17 and 18. Now in these groups, number of elements are present. That is metals, non-metals and metalloids. But name of the element in the group. Name of the element in the group 15, 16, 17 and 18. So group 15 elements that include the 5 types of the elements. Group 15 elements that include the 5 types of the elements. That is first is nitrogen. So group 15 elements. So group 15s are the first element are the nitrogen. Second elements are the phosphorus. Third elements are the arsenic. Fourth elements are the antimony and fifth elements are the bismuth. So first elements are the nitrogens, that is symbol is Cl, and atomic number is 7. So these are the group 15 elements are the first elements, and these are the more electronegative, small in size and absence of d orbital. Due to these properties, that formations of the nitrogens are the multiple bond. Now another elements are the phosphorus. So phosphorus are the second elements of the group 15 elements, and that symbol is P, atomic number is 15. And third element, that is arsenic. So arsenic's symbol is As, atomic number is 33. Fourth elements antimony, that is symbol is Sb, atomic number is 51. Atomic number is 51. Bismuth bismuth is the last elements of the group 15 elements, that is Bi, 83. The atomic number is 83. So bismuth, now another number of elements are present, but these are the importance of these 5 elements, that is nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth. So these are the group 15 elements, and group 15 elements are the 5 types of the elements. So now second group 16 group 16 elements. Group 16 elements that include the 5 types of the elements. 5 types of the elements, that is oxygens. Oxygens are the first element of the group 16 elements, and that's why these are the oxygen family. So first is oxygen, that symbol is O, atomic number is 8. Sulfur is symbol is S, atomic number 16. Seleniums are the atomic symbol is Sc, atomic number is 34. Tellurium symbol is Te, atomic number is 52. Now fifth element, that is polonium. So polonium symbol is Po. Polonium symbol is Po and atomic number is 84. Now third group 17 elements, that group 17 elements that include the halogens, that is fluorine, bromines and iodine. Fluorine, bromine, iodines and acetines. So these are the halogen family, and halogen families are present in the group 17 elements. So group 17 element, that is fluorine, symbol is F, atomic number is 9. Chlorine, symbol is Cl, atomic number is 17. Bromine, symbol is Br, atomic number is 35. Iodine, symbol is I, atomic number is 53. Acetines, symbol is 80, atomic number is 85. So these are the group 17 elements, and that's last groups noble gas family means noble gases group 18 elements, and that group 18 elements are present in the 6 elements. First is helium. Helium atomic number is 2. Helium symbol is He, atomic number 2. Neon. Neons are the atomic symbol is Na, atomic number is 10. Argon. Argon symbol is Ar, atomic number is 18. Krypton symbol is Kr, atomic number is 36. Xenon symbol is Xe, atomic number 54. Radon symbol is Rn, atomic number is 86. So these are the noble gases, and that noble gases are present in the group 18 elements. That noble gases are present in the group 18 elements. So in our 12 syllabus or 12 students that include the study about the p block element, that 4 groups. Remaining 2 groups, that group 13 and 14, that present in the 11th syllabus. So starting the point of the depending upon the syllabus, that is starting the 15 group elements, 16, 17 and 18 groups elements. But in the NEET or CET or JEE syllabus, that combination between the overall groups, that group 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. So in your syllabus that discuss about the 15, 16, 17 and 18. Now another starting the lectures, that is NEET lectures, starting the 1 or 2 days. So now discuss about the overall groups. So in this p block elements, that 4 groups are present, and which elements are present, that is discuss about you. So now another point, that discuss about the detailed study about the group 15, 16, 17 and 18. So write down the short notes of these group 15, 16 and 17. And now continue the lectures. Now second point, that is p block elements are the metallites. Metallites in the p block element, that is name of metallites: boron, silicon, germanium, arsenic, antimony and tellurium. So these are the 6 types of the elements, are the combinations between the metals and non-metals. That's why these are the metallites. So metallites are the boron, silicon, germanium, arsenic, antimony and tellurium. So boron's atomic symbol is B, atomic number is 5. Silicon symbol is Si, atomic number 14. Germanium symbol is Ge, atomic number is 32. Arsenic symbol is As, atomic number is 33. Antimony symbol is Sb, atomic number 51. Tellurium symbol is Te, atomic number is 52. So these are the metallites in the p block elements. Metallites means that combinations between the metals and non-metals. So these are the borons, silicon, germanium, arsenic, antimony and tellurium. So these are the metallites in the p block elements are present. You know what, that very well we discuss about the p block elements are the metals, non-metals and metallites. But some metals are the metallites, some elements are the metallites. Some elements are the metallites, and these are the names, symbols and atomic number. So p block elements are metallites are the 6. That name is boron, silicon, germanium, arsenic, antimony and tellurium. And that atomic numbers and symbol. So these are the combinations between the metals and non-metals. So p block elements are the number of groups, that is group 15, 16, 17 and 18, group 13, 14. But some elements are the metallites, and that metallites are the name, that is boron, silicon, germanium, arsenic, antimony and tellurium. So these are the combinations between the symbols and atomic number. So write down the metallites in the p block elements. Now second points, P block elements, group 15 elements. So group 15 elements, starting the group 15 element, that group 15 element detailed study about these chapters, that is the general introductions, electronic configurations, occurrence, oxidation state, physicals and chemical properties. So you know about that group 15, 16, 17 and 18. So these are the four groups are 12 syllabus P block elements, and that groups one by one discuss about the detailed study of the elements. So now group 15 elements are, you know about that 5 types of the elements, and that 5 types of elements, that is nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth. So this group 15 element detailed study, that is first point is general introduction. First point is general introductions. Now second point, electronic configurations. Third point, occurrence. Fourth point, oxidation, physicals and chemical properties. So these are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points. That is introductions, electronic configurations, occurrence, oxidation state, physicals and chemical properties. Now these are the 5 types of the element, that detailed study about the 5 types of the these are the point. So these 5 types of the element, and that elements are detailed study, that is what is the electronic configurations, occurrence, oxidation state, physicals and chemical properties. Physicals and chemical properties, what is to react to other element, that is include the chemical properties, that is bonding capacity, oxidation state. So these are the study about the oxidation state. Now another point, that is physical properties, that physical properties that include the melting point, boiling point, density, solubility, acidic character, basic character. Now chemical properties that include how to react to other elements, and that formations of the number of compound, that is allotrop also. So you know what, that previous lecture discuss about very well, that is introductions of the group 15s also. So group 15 elements that include the 5 types of the element, and the introductions of group 15 elements. So group 15 elements are present in the 5 types of the elements, that is nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth. So these are the symbol, that is N, P, As, Sb and P. Atomic number 7, 15, 33, 51, 83. So these are the electronic configurations. So general introductions, the group 15 elements are present in the P block elements, and that P block elements, so those elements are the properties that denote the electronegative elements. Electronegative elements, you know about that. Left to right, the electronegativity characters are increased. So these are the family, nitrogen family, and that nitrogen family, these are the first elements of nitrogen. So nitrogens are the formations of the multiple bond. Why? Because nitrogens are the atomic number is 7. Atomic number is 7 and symbol is N, and nitrogens are the small in size and high electronegativity and absence of the orbital due to formations of the multiple bond. So into electronic configurations that include the group 15 elements, that is nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth. So first is electronic configurations of the group 15 element. First elements are the nitrogen. So nitrogen symbol is N, atomic number is 7. Electronic configurations in bracket He, 2s2, 2p3. He are the helium, these are the stable noble gas electronic configurations. So in this He, atomic number is 2. Atomic number is 2. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 3, 7. So the 7s are the atomic number is nitrogen. So these are the short notes. Helium, shorts denoted by the atomic number. Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon. So heliums are the stable noble gas electronic configurations. Another elements, electronic configurations 2s2, 2p3. So group 15 elements are the valence electrons is 5. Valence electrons is 5. So these are the oxidation state is group 15 elements are general oxidation state is group 15 elements are the 5. So formations of the multiple bond. But in this first nitrogens are the formations of the multiple bond, but nitrogens are formations of the 3 bonds and 2 lone pair of electrons. So another element, that is phosphorus. Phosphorus is P, atomic number is 15. 3s2 3p3. Arsenic As, atomic number 33, argon 3d10 4s2 4p3. Antimony Sb, symbol is Sb, atomic number 51, krypton 4d10 5s2 5p3. Bismuth, symbol is Bi, atomic number 83, electronic configuration xenon 4f14 5d10 6s2 6p3. So these are the electronic configurations of the group 15 elements. Group 15 elements, and that common oxidation of valence electrons is 5. In any elements are the 5 oxidation, 5 valence electrons. 5 valence electrons, and that's why for bonding capacity is 5. So these are the P-block elements, are the 5 types of the elements, and write down the short notes. Thank you. Now today start next lecture.